Grace beyond time, endless divine. Before the earth began, you held the perfect plan. Through galaxies and stars, you knew who we are. Your voice that spoke the sky still whispers when I cry. You reach through every line. Through every age you stay. Your love won't fade away. Forever you remain. Through joy and pain, grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time, grace beyond In silence you remain, the anchor through the rain. Your mercy won't depart, it guards my heart. 1,000 years or more, your love is still my shore. Forever I will climb. Grace beyond time. Through every age you stay. Your love won't fade away. Forever you remain. Through joy and pain, grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time, the stars will fade away, but your truth will stay. I rest in your design, outside of time. Grace beyond Grace beyond time, ever true, flows like light from you. Every heart, every sound, your presence all around. Grace beyond time, never gone. Through the night and dawn, eternal you will shine. Grace beyond time. Grace beyond time. Endless divine. Grace beyond time. let your presence glow. Every shadow fades away when your mercy lights my way. I surrender to your hand where I understand. Every heartbeat sings your name. Through the joy, through the flame, your spirit moves so slow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Glorious Every doubt begins to fade. In your arms I'm unafraid. Grace like rivers finds its way through night and day. Your love moves silently, a sacred melody. I rest where peace can grow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Let it move within my heart. Your light will never part. I'm caught inside your grace, in your warm melodies. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Glorious flow, let your presence glow. Glorious flow. I see the edge of day. Your grace leads every way. The ocean meets the sky. stretch me on my side. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever I'll look in. Eternal horizon. Your light unfolds the sea, revealing destiny. Every breath I take, your glory wake. The morning fills my veins with hope that still remains. Your presence draws me near. I have no fear. You stretch me on my side. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever I'll arise in eternal horizon. Beyond the ends of time, your love will still shine. No ending, no divide. You're by my side. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory of light calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of heaven's glow inside my chest, my heart finds rest. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of breaking the night. Echoes of light. Waves of praise rolling through my soul. In the quiet of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every tide a holy sound. Your mercy glory all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering I'm here. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. When the dawn begins to gleam, you awaken every dream. Through the storm and through the rain, your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace. Your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow wherever you go. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Your spirit moves like ocean wind. New beginnings never end. Grace unfolding, hearts awake. Your love, the tide I take. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of waves of praise, rolling through my soul. Waves of praise. Hearts awake, your light we chase. The morning touches gold, your promise to behold. I feel you in the air. Your love is everywhere. Yesterday fades away, unshaken. Hearts awake and light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make, with hearts awake, your love won't fade away. It meets me every day. The morning sings your name, forever the same. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make, with hearts awake. Hearts awake, your light we chase. Hearts awake. Heavy beats, deep praise in me. In the silence of the soul, your rhythm makes me whole. Every pulse a sacred sound, your presence all around. When the night begins to glow, your spirit starts to flow. Every breath becomes a hymn. I give it all to Him. You lift my heart so high. Through every tear I cry, your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, when my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining tear I cry, your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Your love in motion, waves of grace. Your spirit fills this place. I'll praise you high above in never-ending heavenly beats. Deep praise in me. Breath of dawn, carry me on. When the night begins to fade, your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold, your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been restored. Each breath awakens me, it waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of your light paints the sky in gold, stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest. pain. In the stillness I belong within your song. Breath of dawn. Light of eternity, shine on me. The dark has lost its hold. Your glory